Harmonize your kitchen with Feng Shui. Keys to position the stove, sink and refrigerator. Feng Shui is an ancient Chinese practice that seeks to harmonize spaces to promote the flow of positive energy, known as qi. In the kitchen, the positioning of key elements such as the stove, sink and refrigerator can have a significant impact on the energy of the home and the health and prosperity of those who live there. In this article, we will explore how to apply Feng Shui principles to the arrangement of these elements in the kitchen to create a balanced and harmonious environment. The importance of Feng Shui in the kitchen. According to Feng Shui, the kitchen is a vital area for the health and prosperity of a family, as it represents nutrition and sustenance. Therefore, it is essential that this space is well balanced and harmonized to promote good health, prosperity and well-being in the home. Stove positioning. The stove is one of the most important elements in the kitchen according to Feng Shui, as it symbolizes wealth and prosperity. Here are some guidelines for your optimal positioning. South or southwest location. Place the stove in the south or southwest part of the kitchen, as these directions are associated with fire energy and prosperity. Not under a window. Avoid placing the heater under a window, as this can dissipate positive energy and negatively affect the flow of qi. Clear space in front. Make sure there is a clear space in front of the stove to allow proper energy flow while cooking. Sink positioning. The sink represents purification and the removal of negative energies in Feng Shui. Here are some recommendations for your location. North or northeast direction. Place the sink in the north or northeast part of the kitchen, as these directions are associated with the water element in abundance. Far from the stove. Avoid placing the sink too close to the stove, since water and fire are opposite elements and can generate conflict in Feng Shui. Near window for natural light. If possible, place the sink near a window to allow in natural light and promote a feeling of freshness and vitality. Refrigerator positioning. The refrigerator represents abundance and provision in Feng Shui. Here are some guidelines for proper placement. East or southeast direction. Place the refrigerator in the east or southeast part of the kitchen, as these directions are associated with growth and abundance. Enough space around. Make sure you leave enough space around the refrigerator to allow power to flow freely and avoid obstructions in the way. Keep the interior tidy. Keep the interior of the refrigerator tidy and organized to promote positive energy and a feeling of abundance in the home. Conclusion. Feng Shui offers valuable guidelines for kitchen design and layout, which can have a significant impact on well-being and harmony in the home. By applying these principles to the positioning of your stove, sink, and refrigerator, you can create a balanced and harmonious space that promotes health, prosperity, and well-being in your home. Subscribe for more Feng Shui tips. Ready to harmonize your home with Feng Shui? Subscribe to our channel for more tips and techniques on how to apply Feng Shui in your daily life. Don't miss our next suggestions to create a balanced and harmonious environment in your home.